Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A3 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon and select clear browsing data. Let me just go back as I marked bookmarks or downloads, not sure. And now once you're in clear browsing data, just tap on more options to see all the possible setup. So mark those information that you want to get rid of. If you want to perform a full cleanup, mark everything, then select the time range. So as you can see, you can remove history from past 15 minutes, hour, 1 day, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And then tap on clear data to perform the operation. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.